Can you describe the experience during the actual explosion? Just take us through it.
Oh, Lord, you don't want me to take care of it. Because my daughter and her youngest baby just slept with her fiance and walked down that way. He had just turned the corner, and then it happened. Boom, boom! And I was like, oh my God, I just panicked. I grabbed my other grandson, this one here, and I was trying to get him dressed because I didn't know what had blown up at that time. So they had bent that corner and they were down a little ways. So when this exploded, I didn't know if debris hit them, if they were covered, if they were hurt. I just lost it. And then when I got him ready to go, he was crying out, about his mom, blah, blah, blah. And then, when we bent the corner, we seen her down a little ways, and she said, Mom. I just grabbed her and I held on to her and I lost it, I said, oh my God, what happened? She says it was just 5, it was 1 fire, 2 fire, 3 fire, and the 5th fire is the one that went kaboom, But she ran into the field down at the basketball court down there to get out of, in case if there was another explosion, they could cover the baby, But it was scary. Knocked somebody sailed in out of the ceiling. It knocked her, it didn't break the windows, but it knocked them out or in. And then we had a pool for him, and we go out, we filled it up the night before, so it would be kind of warm the next morning for him. But there was this black soot all on top of the water, all on top of the rim of the pool. So it's a blow-up pool, but it's like 3 tiers, It's like it comes up to here. And so you have to wipe it off every day or empty it every day because of that, And then in the house, if you open the windows, black all over every day.
Is this before or after? What is this?
This has been since I've been here. Before the explosion. You know how pollen, it's that green film, that gets on your windows. And if you open your windows too, the green pollen covers everything. And that's how the cold does. It covers everything. Even the windshield, you come out, and some people have to, they do the windshield, It's nasty. If you touch something, it gets all over you. You got it. Your clothes, your furniture, you got to wipe it off every day. Maybe a couple times a day if you've got the energy to
Do you think it has an impact on health?
Oh yeah, I think breathing. Yeah, I do. Because since I moved up here, my breathing's gotten worse. Mm. My grandson, now he don't smoke. He's kind of heavy, but he can't run from there to there without really. He don't have no asthma or nothing like that. So I don't know if that has anything to do with that or not.
Did they grow up here?
He's been here since he's been born, yeah. And then these buses and trucks, the big old Mack truck, 18-wheelers, shouldn't be allowed to come down. And then that's where they're born, is over there. And then I play with the kids out here. You can't let them out here to play or anything like that because of the trucks. And now they're building Amazon, and when that goes up, good God, I can imagine what it's going to be, I live down in the county by the airport.
And can you compare the two?
Can I compare the two?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just there's more cleaner air out there than here. You know, city. Yeah, it's more congestion, more cars. But I live right where I lived in the mobile home park, and they built a runway out there that the planes were coming in right, or going out right over our mobile home park. But it still wasn't as bad as this.
Wow. What do you mean by that in terms of like, do you just feel it? How do you describe the air itself?
It's so thick. It's thick up here, you know, and then out there it was, even with the planes going over, it was like not nowhere near like this. They once came around and told us nothing. Nothing. We were the only one to Springfield, and that's it about it. There was no government officials, no hazmat, nobody come out here asking. None of us. Nothing.
How does that make you feel in terms of, something big like that?
They don't give a shit about us.
So if you had something to say to your city council representative or your state representatives about that, what would it be?
That they should do something about it, find out what caused it. Do you know what caused this? They should find out what caused it and try to prevent it in the future.
What if they can't guarantee that it won't happen again?
Then they should shut it down. I mean, there's elderly, there's newborn babies, there's they might grow up with cancer. You don't know that. They might get cancer being older, and even my age. But the kids, among I've already got cancer since moving that in. And then have the air quality tested every 3-4 months, whatever.
And if you had an option for the coal pile to exist in this community, would you want it to stay here?
No.